Hello everyone and welcome to our look at the Aquasana AQ-4035 Countertop Replacement Water Filter System. This powerful filter removes 97% of chlorine and 99% of 77 contaminants. It effectively targets lead, mercury, pesticides, and many other harmful substances for your peace of mind. While removing toxins, it preserves healthy minerals like calcium and magnesium for great tasting drinking water. These cartridges are WQA certified to meet strict standards for high performance and safety in your home. Installation is incredibly simple because you just twist and replace the filters without using any tools. Use these genuine Aquasana replacements to ensure your countertop system provides the cleanest water for your family. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.